Hey guys, welcome back to Glamour Gadgets and Gaming by Leah. So today Realme has launched its much anticipated latest mid-range smartphone, the Realme 8 Pro, which comes with some fantastic specs and features and with a very beasty 108 megapixel camera lens. And I tell you guys, this one sure means business. Today I'll be sharing a very quick unboxing, first look and some 108 megapixel photo samples. And in the box we have a quick user guide, a SIM eject 2, a TPU silicone case, a USB Type-C cable, a fast charger and the Realme 8 Pro smartphone. Check it out guys, it weighs light in weight and definitely feels and looks good in the hand. I'm loving this nice silvery black finish, which is actually called the Infinite Black. Here on the right we have the power button and the volume rocker, and on the left we have a SIM card tray. Here at the top we have a mic, and here at the bottom we have a single speaker, a USB Type-C charging port, and guys, we also have a 3.5mm headphone jack. We have slimish bezels going all the way around, and the screen sure is large and bright. The Realme UI 2.0 with Android 11 on top is quite nippy. We have a front-facing selfie camera here at the top. On the rear, we have the Realme logo engraved here and the Dare to Leap tagline engraved in large and bold on the side here. And the quad camera setup, one of which is the incredibly impressive 108 megapixel camera lens. And guys, it's probably better than most I have tried and tested recently. Check out the quality for yourselves. So guys, what do you think of the Realme 8 Pro smartphone so far? I'm liking it and I will be playing with it lots more. So if you guys have any questions or want to see anything specific on it, be sure to share this in the comments below. I will be sharing a more detailed video in around a week with all the specs and features, the price, some gaming, streaming, camera and speed tests, and maybe a comparison or two too. So do stick around for this. Do share your thoughts so far on this decent mid-ranger in the comments below, and I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, be sure to comment, like, share and subscribe. Hit that bell icon above too. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram to be notified of my upcoming videos, giveaways, etc. And that's me done for now guys. Thank you so much for watching. Till the next one, take care, stay safe, bye.